Man, what is good, YouTube? We back with another banger reaction video. You feel me? Hey, man, I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting here in the last few days, man. Man, you guys don't even understand how much that shit be meaning to me, for real, for real. But nonetheless, let's you feel me? Get the energy up. Georgia Trooper pits motorcycle to end high-speed chase. Let's get straight into it. Shout out to the State Boys. Link will be down in the description, as of every other video. All my original links to the videos, or my original video links, will be in the description to all of them. So if you ever want to watch the video yourself, link in the description for all of them. Sorry, bro. My ADHD kicked in a little bit. No, there he is. Damn. Nah, he really like taking a cop already. Nah. He's got to be at least going like 140, 150. Bro, I don't even think they're gonna catch him, bro. I mean, never mind. The title does say they catch him, but I personally wouldn't think they catch him. Oh yeah, he's gone. How the hell they catch him? There's no way they catch him unless he slows down over some BS. You feel me? Oh, he got off on the exit. He should have kept going straight, bro. For real, for real.
Exiting 61, going right on south 74.
Damn. That's a wrap. Not gonna lie, that's a wrap. He should have kept going straight though. He a dummy for that. Man, he probably fucked up real bad now. Man, I think this chase is gonna be over before it even starts completely. Nah, bro, he's got a fast ass bike though. That's gotta be a 1000 for sure, for sure. I'm not saying it's nothing else, bro. I'm going already 100% sure. I'm saying 1000, bro. The way he's really gapping the cops like that though, it's crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. He's drifting and shit, bro. You're in a chase. Bro, you're in a chase. Why are you drifting the bike? Bro. What is he doing? Look. Why? Why? You done fucked up. You done fucked up. Look, bro. He's blowing my mind. The chase is over. Look. Why? YouTube, you guys cannot see that. If you guys are gonna want to go and watch that shit. Fuck.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Fuck! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hand behind your back! Hand behind your back!
Nah.
Here, put your hand behind your back. Here, please. Here you go. I'm sorry. Get back. Throw to a stop sign. Clear right, clear left. Contact.
Bro, I'm real life flabbergasted, bro. Bro, that's crazy.
Get on the second round.
Bro, you done fucked up from this moment right here, though. Why are you screeching your tires doing all this shit, bro?
Throw to a stop sign. Clear right, clear left.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's definitely a Jixon 1000 too. Bro, that shit blew my mind, bro. No way. This is a fast ass chase too. Dang. Not even a 10-minute video. I like to make my shit 10-minute long, but this shit fucking 6-minute long. Either way though, that's crazy. That shit got me flabbergasted, bro. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all boys for getting me to 500 subs, man. 1K is the next goal, you feel me? I appreciate each and every single one of you guys has been showing love and support. So thank you so much, and we're out.